Next up is a waterfall that we did. Actually, we did an outdoor kitchen, bench, fire pit, everything we do at a training in Albuquerque, New Mexico, my hometown. And so I thought I'd show you that. We're going to show you the highlights of what we did. There'll also be a training video on this, but the highlights are right here. You can see how we put this thing together. I think it was about 3 days. Check it out.
All right, so here we have John, the camera, at Z-Scapes, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, what are we doing out here?
I think we're gonna build a waterfall today.
Is that all we got going on? Just a waterfall?
Patio.
We're ready to get it going over here. So this is your display that you're gonna be doing for business out here. Great.
For being able to show other people what we can do. We have some natural stone waterfalls, but this is gonna be our first synthetic.
Right on. Okay, yeah, we're stepping up, moving up with technology now.
Yes, sir.
All right, great. Well, we'll be talking to you here. We're going to take a look at what we got going on here. We've got a waterfall over here. We'll have a small little planter retaining wall, patio, bridge. Then we're going to do an outdoor kitchen out here.
Yep. Outdoor kitchen.
Great. Yeah. We'll show that drawing. We got the drawing over here too, don't we?
Yeah, I think it's somewhere.
All right, here we are. This is at Z-Scapes. What we're going to be doing out here. There's a water feature showing the bridge and the walkway, the retaining wall behind it. Let's see how we get that coming to fruition here in the next 48 hours. The pond is like a moat type of thing, so it's going to go like 180 degrees around. Okay, we're doing this bridge mold here. Jonathan's showing us, turn that around. You can see how we got that curve to match the curve of the bridge mold itself. We're going to lay it on top of that, what we got right now. Okay, we got the owner of the business here, his son, Zach. He's using the excavator to dig out the pond. So Leroy, what do we got going on with the bar here?
Set it in, get it bent up. Make sure we have the edges with it at least connect together. All the pond in the bottom, at least where the major part of the weight's gonna be.
How's it going, Larry?
Good. We got mud, huh?
Yeah.
They feel wet.
You got a little obstruction there, Jonathan?
Little obstruction.
What are we doing with that? What are we doing? They're correct.
I know.
What do we got going here, Dave?
Well, got the music going on. That's what counts. We're gonna try to carve
First and foremost.
some cantilever into this thing. Make it look like it's rock instead of looking like it's all one monolithic piece.
I don't know if we have a bar for it.
Okay, we got a couple minutes later. After we had to put a new flash drive in. We got that cap cut right there. We got Matthew here. He's from local here in Albuquerque and coming out to see some of this firsthand. What did you think?
You know, it's awesome how quickly it sets up, how quickly everyone moves on it. You know, it looks like something take 4 or 5 days, and in 20 minutes it was already taking form. So, and you can just stack and start molding it right away. You know, there's no forms, there's nothing like that. So we get moving with it. You got enough guys, enough hands, and you start going with it.
Yeah, what'd you learn today? Most pleasant.
Honestly, how to form it. You know, how to put it together, how quickly it moves, and then obviously, you know,
Just with the shovels kind of thing?
yeah, with the shovels, yeah, like just how simple it is, but how much it.
3.5.
No, see, over here, right over here, but
How thick are we on this?
they want to go.
Alrighty.
Okay, so we're gonna do a pillar here. So we got a pillar. Big rocks coming right here, up on this side, across here. We got the pipe going through. We're gonna build another rock on top of that, flat, and then back over the top. There's using a little bit of pound mix.
So I see like it looks like 2 different pillars or waterfalls. What do we got going
Well,
on
what
here?
we're doing is we're building the 2 base rocks, and then we'll build some flat rocks in between. I want to make this one higher than that one, so I can put the top rock at an angle. So it looks like it's a big sliding rock, but in fact the water coming out will be completely perfectly level. And then we'll build a cantilever over the top of it to make it part of the rock. And you'll see us build that. But right now there's the base rock. So we're gonna mud these first, and then we'll come in and
Alright. Got the popping of the super panel.
We pull the top, so.
Alright. Got the rock stacked on top.
because that goes to the top. Hold on. Okay.
Will it be too far out, or?
No, hell no. So we'll cut this. We'll break it up. Does it look like his rocks over there? Yep. Johnny! Come here. Good there.
Used to give me don't like showers, just like water.
Just our food, not me.
The difference before waterfall and after is
wrapped up here. We finished up the rock. The guys and the crew here that trained here are going to finish up the rest of the colors. But we finished the countertop, all the different things. We'll show more about that even more. But this right here, we emulated the rocks that were over here that he has, which are real rocks, kind of the rocks of the area here. We did all these, and plus the waterfall came out good. Just a real good, you know, great training, great project. Go on your Learn Creek, watch how we did it. And watch every, you know, of course you already did maybe, I don't know. If you did, that's how we did it. Plumbing, everything's all covered in this. This is, what's great about this is the legitimacy of, you know what to say. I did something that is, instead of real rock, you look from the street over here, this thing looks legit. It looks like, I bet you people come in here and they go, oh yeah, part of the big rocks, you just happen to have a crane to put these things together, but he didn't. And we did this here in 2 days. Well, day and a half. Well, a day and a half, guys, from the waterfall, because we didn't start actually putting it together till half the day yesterday. So it was about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. So here we're, you know, we're about 2 o'clock now, 3 o'clock. So about, you know, legit about a day and a half. Huge waterfall, almost finished completely, and it looks pretty amazing. All right. Well, Learn Creek, go on there, learn some more things. We'll see you again. Thank you.
Can you give